Marion and I'm a farmer from Western Illinois, and we've been growing corn and soybeans in rotation and also in no-till. And as we've gone to more and more of the BT corn stalks, we started seeing a problem trying to get them to decompose. And so as I've been working with corn heads, I'm asking myself, how can I make these stalk rolls more aggressive so that they'll chew up these BT corn stalks and actually get them to decompose. So a few years back, we started looking, and the conventional corn heads that are out today, they've got 6 flutes that overlap with 6 more flutes. And when they spin at 900 RPMs a minute, it just becomes a solid wall of rotating steel. And the corn stalk actually can't get into the row unit, and it can't engage with the flutes, and it won't chew it up, it won't lacerate it, it won't crimp it, it won't crush it, so they don't decompose. So what we installed in our stalk rolls was a revolving window, and if you look at this one that's rotating, you can actually see the little window opens up, which allows the corn stalk to drop in, and then it can engage. And then the rest of the flutes come around, grab the stalk, crush it, and they crimp it, they lacerate it, and pull it on down through, and that's how we're going to get it to decompose. You can actually see right here is an actual corn stalk that's been through the row unit. And you can see the lacerations about every inch. It's also crimped it, crushed it, so that there's no rigidity left to that stalk. The outer shell is going to decompose. It's going to allow the water to get in between it. And you can also see the vertical splintering right here. The horizontal chop, I tell everybody it's like an axe going into the side of a tree. We're going to chop out just little chunks at a time, open it up. Then on the inside, we're going to expose the pith of the stalk, the earthworms like that, the microbes, the bacteria. So not only did we cut it horizontally, but we crushed it vertically, and that's how I believe we're going to beat the BT corn stalks. Also, to give the stalk roll some longevity, we've chrome plated it, and chrome plating some of the hardest material that we use in agriculture. I think it's going to last longer. We want to preserve the sharp edge that's on the stalk roll right here so that it'll cut in, get good traction so that we can implode the plant. And then there's multiple flutes, and then as they overlap, that's what gives us the crimping. So these are the new ideas that we've added into our stalk roll, and we call it the BT Crusher, and it's simply improving the rate of decomposition of the BT stalks.